So as you obviously know, the Thai are really diverse and open-minded people, so I'm celebrating Pride to another level compared to the UK. So this whole supermarket shopping centre, mini mall, has basically got everything's Pride. So I'm going to just give you a little look around now and show you. So it's basically stalls selling all sorts of cool stuff, proper touristy stuff, like the Black Pool of Thailand. Well, that's what I'm taking it as anyway. Other people might think something different, but to me, it is like that. Just like all your little stalls, but everything's decorated with pride. I need some new Thai gear for tomorrow. In fact, I think they're going to give me some at the gym when I'm going to train tomorrow anyway. All your fresh coconuts. Also decorated. Beautiful mall. It's a giant whale, orca. Every little stall's decorated with pride. Fair play to 'em. Oh, pretty lights. Oh, I've never saw a clown in Thailand. Wow. Everything's decorated beautifully. It's well colourful. I feel like I'm on a DMT trip. That's going to be one of my videos that I'll let you know when that's coming out, explaining about that. Don't judge me. So yeah, that's basically this little area, but it goes on forever. So,